Stop using AI like a beginner, because 99% people open ChatGPT, type one random line, and then complain, AI doesn't work, no AI works, your prompting is trash. So I decided to test Google's AI Essentials course. I spent hours going through it. And in this video, I'm going to break down the 5 most important AI basics that will instantly make you smarter than most beginners. And at the end, I'll tell you one thing. Is this course actually worth your time? Or is it just another certificate scam? Welcome back to Future Income Lab. Look, AI is not magic. It's like having a Ferrari engine, but you don't know how to drive. Most beginners are not failing because AI is weak. They fail because they don't understand the fundamentals. So here are the 5 biggest takeaways from the course, explained in a way that actually helps you use AI in real life. Most people think AI is only ChatGPT. Wrong. There are 3 major categories of AI tools. 1. Standalone AI tools. These are tools you open directly and start using instantly. Examples: ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Perplexity, Midjourney, Gamma, Otter, AI. They don't require integration. They work like apps, 2 tools with built-in AI. These are normal software tools that now have AI features inside them. For example, Google Docs using Gemini, Canva, AI inside Canva, Microsoft Word Copilot, Google Slides image generation. Instead of opening ChatGPT separately, AI is already inside the tool. 3 custom AI solutions. This is where companies build AI for a specific job, like hospitals using AI to detect diseases, banks using AI to detect fraud, companies using AI to analyze customer behavior. And here's the important part. People think custom AI means coding and complex tech. But the truth is, a good custom AI solution is built so normal employees can use it easily. In the future, you might not be building AI, but you will definitely be working with AI systems inside your workplace. That's why understanding these categories matters. And this next point is where most beginners destroy their results. This is the biggest beginner mistake. You think AI knows what you mean? It doesn't. You have to tell AI what's inside your head. Example: if your friend asks, suggest a restaurant, you automatically think, oh, he's vegetarian, so I'll suggest vegetarian options. But I won't assume that unless you say it. So instead of writing, suggest a restaurant, you should write, suggest 5 vegetarian restaurants in my area. Budget under $20, casual environment, and no spicy food. That's called surfacing implied context. And this alone can make your prompts 10x better. Because AI outputs are only as smart as your input. Now the next concept will instantly make your prompts look like a pro wrote them. This is simple. The word shot just means examples. 0 shot, no example. You just ask, write me a YouTube script about freelancing. The output will be generic. 1 shot. You give 1 example. Write me a YouTube script like this style. Example paragraph here. Now AI understands your tone. Few shot. You give multiple examples. Now AI becomes extremely accurate because it learns the pattern. This is how big creators get consistent scripts. This is how marketers get consistent ads. This is how freelancers get consistent proposals. Pro tip: if you want AI to copy your style, don't explain your style. Show your style. Examples beat explanations. Takeaway number 4. Use step-by-step prompting, also known as the chain of thought method. Beginners often say, write me a full business plan, and get poor results. Smart users break it down. Step 1. Ask me 10 questions about my business idea. Step 2. Based on my answers, generate 3 business models. Step 3. Now create a pricing strategy. Step 4. Now create a marketing plan. Step 5. Now write the full plan. This is breaking a big task into smaller steps. AI performs best when treated like an assistant, not a magician. The next point is one most people ignore, and it can literally ruin your work. Takeaway number 5. Understand AI limitations before they embarrass you. AI is powerful, but it has limitations. Google highlighted 3 major problems. First, bias in training data. AI learns from data, and biased data leads to biased output. Second, lack of recent information. Many AI models have a knowledge cutoff. If you ask about very recent events, AI may guess, leading to inaccuracies. Third, hallucinations. This is the dangerous one. Hallucinations mean AI gives confident answers that are completely wrong. Never trust AI blindly for medical, legal, or financial advice. AI is a tool, not a truth machine. Use it wisely. Now the big question, is Google's AI Essentials course worth it? First, who should not take it? If you use AI daily and want advanced techniques, you'll find it basic. Some examples are too general, and they don't go deep into real business workflows. Now, who should take it? If you are a beginner, it's actually solid. Here's why. 1. Credibility. You're learning directly from Google's AI professionals. 2. Simple visuals. They explain concepts with graphics and analogies that make it easy. 3. Interactive quizzes. The quizzes are not brainless. You actually have to pay attention. Plus, they give a list of beginner-friendly AI tools and important AI terms. So, should you take it? Here's my honest answer. If you're a beginner and want a structured introduction, yes, it's worth it. But if your goal is to make money online with AI, the course alone won't do anything, because certificates don't pay you. Skills pay you. If you want to use AI for freelancing, business, content creation, or client hunting, then you need to apply these fundamentals daily. If you found this video useful, subscribe to Future Income Lab, because on this channel we don't just talk about AI, we use AI to build income. And in my next video, I'll show you a practical AI method that beginners can use to start earning online, even without experience. So make sure you stay connected because the next upload is going to be serious. Comment AI, and I'll send you my 5 best prompts for beginners.